Want to buy a cheap Germany VPS? In this video, I'll show you how to buy one step by step. Let's get started!
First, open your favorite browser and search for HostingTom on Google. Once you see the official website, click on it. Once you're on the HostingTom homepage, move your mouse over VPS, then Cheap VPS, and finally click on Cheap Germany VPS. And just like that, welcome to the Cheap Germany VPS page. If you're just testing things out, good news. There's a free trial available. Feel free to give it a try before placing an order. Now, let's scroll down and check out the VPS plans. You'll see different options with different CPU, RAM, storage, and pricing. Just pick the one that fits your needs or your budget. No pressure. Before clicking order now, here's a little money-saving tip. If you choose a longer billing cycle, you'll unlock bigger discounts. Monthly is great, but if you're planning to stick around, yearly or even triennial plans can save you quite a bit. Who doesn't like saving money? Once you've picked your favorite plan, click the green Order Now button, and let's move to the fun part, configuration. The first thing you'll do is select your preferred billing cycle. You can choose monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, or longer billing periods. Generally, longer billing cycles can save you more money, so pick whichever works best for you. Next, let's configure the basic server information. Start by entering your host name, then create a strong root password. Make sure it's secure because this password gives you full administrative access to your server. After that, enter your NS1 prefix and NS2 prefix if you plan to use your own name servers. For example, you can use NS1 and NS2. Next, choose your operating system. Whether you prefer Alma Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, Windows Server, or something else, just select the one you're most comfortable with. Need backups? You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly backups, or simply leave it as not required if you don't need them right now. You can also adjust the additional storage and snapshot options if your project requires them. Now scroll a little further and you'll find some optional add-ons like cPanel, Plesk, Direct Admin, Lightspeed, Cloud Linux, and more. If you need any of them, simply tick the box. If not, that's perfectly fine. You can skip them. Once everything looks good, click Continue. Now we're on the review and checkout page. Take a quick moment to verify everything. If you have a promo code or coupon code, enter it here and click Validate Code to apply the discount. No coupon? No worries. Your server won't get offended. Once everything looks correct, click Checkout. Now we're on the checkout page. Simply sign in if you already have an account or create a new. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the Additional Information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you see your newly purchased VPS waiting for you. Just click on it. And that's it! Your VPS is now ready to use. You can log in, start configuring your server, install your favorite operating system, host your website or application, and begin building your project right away.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!